we decided to go for a afternoon beach run because the swell was up. We didn't take the GoPro and we nearly got very stuck on the beach. So Cheddar needs something. Stay tuned, Blake will update you with what he's found. But yeah, it was kind of like if you had a loose lead or something like that and you weren't kind of running on all cylinders, but we'll see. Well, Brian from Susie's Saw has saved the day again. What'd you order from him, Blake?
Spark plugs, leads, coil pack, rotor button, distributor cap.
What was wrong with Cheddar?
Spark plug leads and ignition. We broke down on the beach.
But we just got out of there.
Fucking pain in the ass. Anyway, we're back to it. We found the ignition lead from here. The ignition lead one was stuffed, had a bit of a break, so we're losing power on the beach. Got a spare timing belt kit as well. I've taken it apart, but it actually looks like there's already a new timing belt fitted. So we're good. Don't have to fit the timing belt. Put that back together. We've been in contact with Brian at the full drive shop in Midland again. Get that torch out of the way. He's going to organise parts, get them sent up to us at Northampton, and we are good to go and get this whole girl working again, because that was pretty sketchy on the beach, losing power and all sorts. But we'll get it sorted and back on the road. Well, we're back into it. Where are we? There we go. So I've put a new fan hub on that, cleans it all down, that's good to go, covers are clean, getting sorted. This thing is just, yeah, hard to get parts for, but we finally found parts, and this has been the third time now. It's the full drive store in Midland in Perth, which I'm going to put their number up on this video, because honestly, not just for Suzuki's, they do everything there, but 3 times now they've helped us massively, from getting the parts, sourcing it there, just stress-free. And they've also just, everywhere we've been, it's been express post within 2 or 3 days of parts are here. So Brian and Michael, honestly, thank you so much. If anyone needs parts or help, contact them, because they actually care. They will help, they'll get the parts, get them sent out to you as soon as you need them. So, appreciate it, really do appreciate it. You see a few other things I've got to fix too. There's a snapped bolt for the aircon, so we've actually never had aircon running, so I've got to get that out, drill it out. Hopefully I can tap a new thread. Bracket goes on here. Get some AC going, because Elise is just sweating. It's a little sweat box, this thing. So I've got to get that sorted as well. But yeah, just want to get this done. It annoys me when shit breaks, but we'll get it done. Okay, we've got camp hosts going on.
It's cold.
It's cold. Yeah. Alright, dog zipped up. We're gonna go have a bonfire. We've cleaned up the property and we're gonna burn, have a nice big fire and enjoy the afternoon. That's us. Sit back and enjoy this. Well, that's us. We are officially, the day's come, we're leaving Lingalonga and heading to Lucky Bay, Cowbarry. So we'll get there. Apparently the roads are pretty bad, so we're going to air down, get ourselves sorted from there. If it's not too much of a busy road, I might get the drone up and get a bit of footage for that, but if the road's madness, I'm not doing that, so you'll see it when we get there. wasn't too far at the entry to get where we are. So we are here at the moment. We're just going to air down because last time we were here it was ridiculous. That was still aired down to nearly 10 psi in the Vitara, so caravan in car, we're going to drop the pressures by half of everything that we're running, so we're running about 20 psi. If that's still too much, then we'll just drop psi again and just keep going, trial and error. Road is bumpy as anything. It's wild. We're right down to 15 psi for the car and caravan. Still just, we're going no more than 15 kilometers an hour down this road. I was going to get the drone up and see a little bit more of what's going on while we're traveling. However, we've got another 2 cars, another 3 caravans behind us, so I'm not going to be that one that's going to pull over just for a drone shot. So we'll just keep going, and then we'll enjoy them all, the drone shots, when we're actually at the camp and out down at Lucky Bay itself. As always, the camera does no justice. This place must have had a fair bit of rain this last week. It's just slop. The water's probably about halfway up the hang on. Yeah, straight through the middle, mate. You're right. Yeah, it's probably about halfway up the 35, so it'd be up to like the step on the caravan, to be honest. But just keeping a steady momentum through, and hopefully we don't have any water inside the caravan. There was one that was quite slippery actually, the whole bottom, and I could feel the rear wheels spinning going through. But I think we're through the worst now. But yeah, coming up and we're all good. Oh mate, this is wild. I'm already, we're not even here for 5 minutes and I'm already got myself into a mischief. That is so soft. Anyway, we're going to get the Vitara out. I'm going to hitch it over here. I'm going to put the winch point on and hopefully I'll just winch myself out and we're back to it. But yeah, super soft. Yeah. Just keep on the harder ground. Yeah, keep it there. Beauty. Hopefully that'll work. Winch off and we're good. Anyway, that was absolute mayhem, but easy mayhem. Just to show, this is the first time I've actually ever done sand driving with a caravan, but you can see it just bogged so down so fast. and I could not move. Also, I think, to be honest, the Y62 sand controls are a little bit shit, because I was going good and then the whole car just decided to go, oh, you got wheel slippage, and that's it, and that's the reason I got stuck in there. But if the sand control didn't go complete limp mode, I probably would have got through that. But you know, you live and you learn, and probably drop another 5 psi maybe. It's good, it's fun. I'm glad I got the winch, because the winch has already paid for itself now. But I was not expecting that so soon to getting down here. Less than 5 minutes and we're already bogged. So I know it's going to be a good time while we're here. Anyway, we'll go find a camp spot and might take Cheddar out and see what's going on down there. Well, this is us. Finally found a spot. I think that was the hardest part of today, finding a camp, because it's so free, no one's here. It's like so quiet that we started getting picky and we didn't know where we wanted to go. But no, it's good. We're here. We're going to chill out, go get this Vitara in the water, and not the water. So I'm just mumbling absolute rubbish now. Have some lunch, go down to the beach, and just enjoy it. If you're missing a boat that got washed up, it got washed up on Lucky Bay, and it is now going to sit next to the bin. So if you do find it, there it is for you. Tell you what, besides the overcast day, getting bogged, I don't think the day was any worse than Garth's haircut right now.
He took that bit out. That wasn't me. I'm trying to fix it.
Yeah. Don't try to cut hair yourself.
As Blake prepared the fire for the afternoon, he'd already sorted out dinner and it was on the bench inside waiting for us. However, I think somebody else may have had a different plan for his dinner as well. Polly. Fuck's sake.
What?
The culprit. You can literally see where he's nibbled the crust away, spat out what he doesn't like, all the cheese, like he's eaten the cheese, and then eaten the lamb. After the pizza thief had finished, we sat down around the fire and exchanged some photos from the day. This one?
Well, we are at Lucky Bay, Calvary. Don't know if you can see, if the camera's doing it much justice on how good this is down here. This is the lagoon. Anyway, as always, I'll I'll get the drone up and give you a drone view. So get ready.
Substance under feet, waves touch like a beat. Golden skies all around, where the love is found. Breezes whisper a song, nights that never feel wrong. Moonlight dances so bright in this endless night. Beach vibes calling with the tide, we're falling into sunset dreams.
I've got to say, this place is pretty damn spectacular. Look at that. It's just, water is just unbelievable. So I'm gonna go for a fish, hopefully catch something. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I've been for a fish. Oh no, maybe 2 weeks, but actively catch something. So if we catch something, we'll get it on camera, and if we don't catch nothing, I'll still get it on camera. Probably catch seaweed.
Where everything gleams. Palm trees swaying slow, hearts in rhythm, no. Tides rise with our cheer, feeling you near. Stars paint the sky so.
Hasn't really been a whole lot of luck. It's just driving around. Been a few hours fishing, but yeah, absolute nothing. I think the only thing we've really caught is all the rubbish. Just catching heaps and heaps of rubbish out here. We just slowly clean it up as we go. But still beats a day at work.
Thanks for joining us on another week. Stay tuned for next week when we head towards Kalbarri and up to Shark Bay.